Hello everyone, myself Jorinath from First MCA. I'm going to explain about ledger book. So let's get started.
I welcome you all to this video on Ledger Book. So in this video, we'll try to explore a very important part in accounting, the Ledger Book. What is ledger? A ledger is the principal book where all the journal entries are classified and posted in a account wise. It provides the summary of all the transactions related to each account. So what it says means, first of all, think of the ledger as a big notebook where we can create one separate page for each account. So instead of looking through pages of journal entries to find all the cash transactions, we will make one dedicated cash account. The same goes for rent account, capital account, salary account, and other accounts. It will make easy to check how much money that we spent on rent and how much salary we paid and how much cash that we left and etc. So in a business, a ledger is very, very important. So here I take 10 sample transactions. Now we have already recorded our transactions in the journal. So the next step is to classify them in a ledger book. Okay. So we'll go one by one and post each transaction and its respective ledger account. Okay. So here I have 5 and another 5 is here. So simple transaction. I've took some simple transactions. Only 2 accounts will be involved, not more than that. Okay, let's begin with the most used account, that is cash account. On August 1st, the business was started with cash rupees 50,000. So here we can clearly state that the cash is coming in. So we write to capital account rupees 50,000 on the debit side, not in the credit, on the debit side. Okay. Similarly, on the August 2nd, 20,000 was used to purchase goods. It clearly states that cash is going out, so we write by purchase account rupees 20,000 on the credit side. The next one, on the August 3rd, rupees 15,000 cash received from the sales to sales account, rupees 50,000 on the debit side. Similarly, on the August 4th, rent was paid rupees 2,000, so it is written in the by rent account. We have written in the credit side. Next, furniture purchased for rupees 5,000 on August 5th. So that is by furniture account on the credit side. And rupees 10,000 received from a debtor on August 6th, which is recorded as to debtor account. I mean, can be written in the debit side of the ledger book. And 8,000 is paid to the creditor on August 7th. We can write it in the creditor account, by creditor account. And similarly, 3,000 salary paid on August 8th can be written as by salary account. And rupees 2,000 withdrawn by the owner on August 9th. So finally, rupees 1,200 electricity paid on the August 10th. So it will also come in the credit side, that is by electricity account. Next, the capital account. On August 1st, the business received cash from the owner. So we have to credit it. Actually, we have to credit by cash account to 50,000. We have to record in the credit side by cash account 50,000. Okay, this is the capital account. Only one transaction is recorded here. And the next one is purchase account. In the purchase account, we can observe that on August 2nd, goods worth rupees 20,000 were purchased for the cash. So in the purchase account, we used to debit it. In the sales account, we can see that on August 3rd, goods were sold for rupees 15,000. So here sales brings income. So in the sales account, we credit it by cash account rupees 15,000. So similarly, rent account, on August 4th, rent of rupees 2,000 was paid. So in the rent account, we used to debit it so it can be written as to cash account rupees 2,000. In the furniture account, on August 5th, the furniture worth of rupees 5,000 was purchased. So in the furniture account, we used to debit. So I can write here as to cash account rupees 5,000. The seventh one is the debtor account. In the debtor account, on August 6th, the debtor paid rupees 10,000. Since the customer cleared their dues, right? So we have to credit it. Can write by cash account rupees 10,000. The next one is creditor account. In the creditor account on August 7th, rupees 8,000 was paid to a creditor. Okay, this states that in the creditor's ledger, we used to debit it, which means in the creditor's ledger, we used to debit it. So cash account, rupees 8,000. Okay, in the salary account on August 8th, rupees 3,000 was paid as a salary to the employees. So here we debit the salary account with to cash account to 3,000. Drawings account on August 9th, rupees 2,000 was withdrawn by the owner for personal use. So this transaction says that this is a reduction of capital. So we debit it. We have to write it in the debit side of the ledger book. And finally, the electricity account. In the electricity account so finally on August 10th, the business paid rupees 1,200 for the electricity. That's all for this video. Thank you.